This evening we're celebrating PSI's annual International Night, a very special community event. This event allows us to recognise and celebrate the diversity in our school. To paraphrase a wonderful author, Maya Angelou, diversity is strength, diversity is beautiful. And that describes PSI. PSI is a school that is strong and beautiful in its diversity, and we are very proud to be a part of that.
We have so many new things happening. Our grade 12 students propose to add another flag to the 45 flags in the annual Parade of Nations, the flag of the citizens of the world, for those who share the essential concept of feeling at home anywhere in the world and similar values with people all around the world rather than those who surround them.
Every year we enjoy, and it's not only that we get to know all different cultures, but also we come closer with our own country fellow citizens while preparing our Turkish food.
Traditionally, all countries participating in the International Night are very generous in organizing their country tables and sharing their favorite homemade traditional dishes with the other PSI community members.
This year, both Student Council and Green Team volunteered a lot in the International Night in setting up a green table, in helping to make a sorting station for the waste of the International Night, and also to prepare allergy cards for those who would like to promote more food safety.
This year there is a food share basket where country reps could place their extra food, which we will share with the people in need.
Today's night is a journey for our younger kids to go from table to visit 45 countries of the world. They can put their stamps in the international passport and collect as many stamps as they would like.
PSI, it's a joyful place, a school that knows how to celebrate.